247 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 247. Therefore, 247 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 8.1036745465 feet. So, in other words, 247 centimeters equals 8.1036745465 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.